So in this video we're going to talk about widgets and menus. And first we're going to talk about menus though. So to access the menu, and that is what you see right here. Here is your menu. To access, we're going to go ahead and come over here to Appearance, come down to Menus. So this takes you into the WordPress menu interface, which allows you to edit any menus on your site. And what we have right here is we have the default menu, okay? And you'll see it says primary menu, and we have the main menu. We've selected our primary menu. And you'll see down here we have all of the pages that we have on our site, okay? And we have the menu up here, which represents everything you see right here on every page of the site. So I'm going to go ahead and add the training page, and I do that by clicking right here on most pages. And if you don't see the one you're looking for, just click on View All, and it will give you a larger list. But you'll probably see, if you've been working with a specific page, you'll probably see it right here. So I'm going to click Add to Menu right there. Okay, now you'll see, and I apologize for that. Now you'll see we have training listed directly below. And what I'm going to do is I could leave that right there, and if I did so, then I would get training listed right here. And we'll go ahead and let's just save that real quick, just so we can take a look and see what that looks like. So now we have training, and if I were to click, we'll go right to the training page. But what if I don't want training there? What if I were to want training, say, as a submenu of full portfolio? Now, I could move these up and down, but I can also go like this, and I can move them out. Now, when I save the menu, and I come back over here, refresh, training is gone from here. But now, when I hover over full portfolio, I get a drop-down menu that slides out all of a sudden for training. So you can create multi-level menus with WordPress. If I have something here, I can change. Mind you that when I've added a page, I can change the navigation label. I don't have to leave it as training. I can change it to whatever I want. And then just click Save Menu, and it'll save it as that. Or I can remove it and click Save Menu. And now, when I go back to my menu and I refresh, I come over to full portfolio, I no longer have a drop-down. So now we're going to talk about widgets. So widgets are what you see in sidebars. So in the Pinpoint framework, come down here right under Appearance. So that's where I am, right under Appearance. I've got widgets right here. You'll see there are a lot of sidebars. There are just a whole lot of sidebars. And if you install WooCommerce, there's even a sidebar for WooCommerce, a separate sidebar. And that's just if you were to install the WooCommerce e-commerce framework. So if you have a desire to sell something on your site, the Pinpoint framework is totally ready to do that with. So, but as you'll see, we have these widgets here that we can just easily drag and drop right in here. I could drag and drop a Flickr widget, but I don't have a Flickr username or an API key to use right there. I could put in a post slider. I put in a video widget and put in a video. And when you put these in, you'll see every widget will have some different selections. I'm going to put in a recent comments widget, and I'm just going to call it latest comments. Spelled that wrong. Okay. I'm going to click Save. I could change the number of contents that's going to get shown if I want to. But now when I come and I refresh the page, now right below my calendar, I get this latest comments. Now, mind you, I don't have any comments, so it's not displaying any. But it's just as simple as that. You just drag and drop them, and now you could either delete that or just drag it and make it go away. Doesn't matter. Either one if you want to get rid of it. You can add a custom menu. You could add an HTML5 player. This page isn't a portfolio page, so it doesn't have a player. You could add that there. Mind you that if you add a widget to a page that is already, and you just click, you could select what playlist you want. I'm just going to select Half-Life 2. I'm going to refresh, and now you'll see the comments widget is gone, but now I get an HTML5 player. That needs to be adjusted. But go ahead and remove that. Come in here for another widget. Let's try for a list of my site's WordPress pages. And I'm just going to call it subnav. when I refresh, now instead of right below here, I've got a kind of sub-navigation menu with all of the pages in my site showing. So I don't want that there. I'm just going to pull it away and get rid of it. So you see, very, very simple when dealing with widgets. You can drag and drop, change the order. All of the pages use the first sidebar right now. So you can have pages use different sidebars, and as you see, you have a total here of 8 different sidebars that can be used. And depending on your footer layout that you define in the pinpoint options will define whether you have 1, 2, 3, or 4 footer columns. So this is kind of dynamic right here in the fact that, if you only are using 2 footer columns, you're only going to have 2 footer columns instead of 3. So if you have a widget up here, like here I've got on footer column 3, I've got contact me. Okay, I want to keep that. Now let's say that I don't want that there for a minute, that I want it on here. So I'm going to just pull that contact me down. I'm going to bring it over here to inactive widget. I'm going to leave it right there. Now when I go back to the page and I refresh our About Us page, now, I've gotten rid of our subnav. On here, now you notice our contact's gone, but I can just come back here, grab that, bring it right back up there, and now just a quick refresh of the page, and now we have our contact me form. So pretty direct and to the point. That is how you use widgets in WordPress.